To watch the way that this began at the beginning of the semester, where they literally had nothing, and to watch them go to the archives and dig these things up, and to put the research together and go through the process of the archival research, and then to actually come out, pick the stops, put the tour together, and then present it with the sort of calm, professional attitude that they did, I couldn't be prouder.
I think knowing the history and kind of knowing where you came from is the foundation to being able to go where you want. Because if you don't know the struggles that people went through before you and know kind of the story that went on before you, you're not going to be able to progress the way that you should be progressing.
I just really wasn't expecting to find information on like the first students and stuff like that. I found it really interesting.
Well, I've definitely learned that ETSU is a lot more, I guess, calm when it comes to its students. They're a lot more forgiving when it comes to student protests. The students were a lot more controlled with their anger, although they were angry, but they were able to communicate it properly to the administration through things like writing as opposed to big sit-ins and things like that.
I think it will, help people form a stronger connection with the school.
Learning all the history about where I've been living for the past 3 years is really important to me, and it's affected my appreciation for what I've called home for the past 3 years.